Hey yeah everyone, welcome to Colleen's Commerce.
Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Colleen's Commerce. So in this video, let's discuss about the rules of journal entries. So coming to rules of double entry system, but before going to rules, you must know the accounts. So accounts are classified into two types, that is personal account and impersonal account. So now let's discuss only about the personal account first, then we'll go with impersonal account. So personal account, so personal is nothing but it tells and it describes about the person, whether it is a natural person or artificial person. Okay, it tells about only the person, whether it is natural or artificial. So what is natural person? Like for example, Sohan's account, Ram's account, Krishna's account, Sita's account. And what is artificial person? Artificial person examples like State Bank of India, Reliance Limited, LIC, like any government institutions account or any club account are considered in artificial person's account. Okay, so this is the meaning of personal account. Now coming to the personal account rule, but before I just want to tell you something. You must know the rules to write the journal entries, so please learn the rules, complete rules without any mistakes. So if you know the rules, then you can easily write journal entries. I'll tell you a logic here, so please see the full video. So personal account rule. So what is the rule of personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So for example, cash paid to Vinod rupees 6,000 and amount received from Amar rupees 10,000. Okay, now let's discuss the journal entries for both of the so now cash paid to Vinod rupees 6,000, right? So Vinod account debtor to cash account. Vinod account debtor to cash account. So Vinod, after writing the Vinod, you have to left out the space here and you have to left out the space here also. Okay, Vinod account debtor to cash account, so 6,000 and 6,000. And for writing the narration, you must start with the word being. Okay, being the cash paid to Vinod. Why Vinod? Because Vinod is a receiver. So what is the rule? Debit the receiver, right? Debit the receiver. So who is the receiver here? Vinod is a receiver because we are paying cash to Vinod. Okay, Vinod is a receiver here. So Vinod account to cash account. Uh, and 6,000 you have to write in the cash form, and you have to write the narration, which you need to start with the word being the cash paid to Vinod. So this is a basic entry, you must write like this. Okay, now second one is amount received from Amar rupees 10,000. So amount is we are receiving from Amar. Okay, amount we are receiving from Amar. So what amount? So amount you are receiving, right? So what you'll do, cash account debtor to Amar account. So Amar is giving the cash. Okay, so Amar is giving the cash. So write the amount. Okay, here Amar is the creditor. Amar is a creditor. So you are writing in the credit side. So cash, you are receiving the cash. So debit the receiver, right? Debit the receiver. That is the rule. So cash account, debtor to Amar account. So you have to write the narration. So you have to start with being. What you write there is narration, being cash received. Okay, cash received from Amar. From Amar. Okay, so these are the two examples of personal account rule, that is cash paid to Vinod and amount received from Amar. So you must write like this. Okay, let's discuss the meaning of impersonal account. So I'll tell you easily what is impersonal account, which it doesn't describe about persons. That is called impersonal account, obviously, right? So impersonal account, again it is classified into two types, so that is real account and nominal account. Okay, again it is classified into two types, that is real account and nominal account. And again this real account is classified into again two types, that is tangible real account and intangible real account. So as all you know, that is tangible. Tangible is nothing but the things which can be touched or feel. Okay, which can be touched or feel, like felt. Okay, touched or felt. So the things which will be touched, which we like touched or which we felt, that is called tangible. Intangible, which can't be touched and which can't be physical sense, and only it can be measured in the monetary terms. Okay, so that is called as intangible real accounts. Okay, so now we also have the rules for real account. So let's discuss the rule of real account and the journal entries. Okay, so now what is the real account rule? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So this is the basic rule of real account. That is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Remember, there is no rule for impersonal account, only there is rule for real account. Okay. Example, purchased machinery for rupees 70,000, sold goods for rupees 1 lakh. Purchased machinery. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out, right? So now let's discuss this. Purchased machinery for rupees 70,000. Okay, purchased machinery for rupees 70,000. So you're purchasing machinery. So what you are getting? You're getting a machinery here, right? So you have to write machinery account data to what you're losing some cash because you're purchasing machinery, right? So for how much? 70,000. Okay, for 70,000. So you are receiving the machinery, you are getting a machinery and you are losing the cash. So machinery account data to cash account. So what must be the narration? Being, you need to start with being, right? As I told you, being the machinery purchased. Being the machinery purchased. And coming to sold goods for rupees 1 lakh. So you're selling the goods, like the sale is happened. So what, when sale is happened, you'll get the cash here, right? You'll get the cash. So you're getting the cash. So cash account data to sales account. Okay, to sales account for how much? 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. So what you'll write the narration here? Being the goods sold, right? Being the goods sold. So this is a real account examples, that is purchased machinery and sold goods. Okay, these are the two journal entries I wrote. Now coming to the nominal account. So nominal account. So as I told you, nominal account is nothing but all expenses and losses or incomes and gains. Okay, nominal account is nothing but expenses and losses, incomes and gains. Now let's discuss the rule of nominal account. So that is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So all expenses and losses will write it in the debit and all incomes and gains will write it in the credit. That is rent paid, discount received. So let's see these two journal entries now. Okay, so rent paid rupees 5,000. Rent paid rupees 5,000. You are paying some rent. You are paying some rent, right? What you'll write there? Rent account data to cash account. Rent account data to cash account. That is 5,000. 5,000. So you must write the narration that being rent paid. Right, you got it now. Being rent paid. And so now discount received rupees 2,000. So what is discount received? So cash account data to discount received account. Okay, cash account data to discount received account. So that is 2,000 and 2,000. So what you'll write the narration here? Being discount received. Okay, being discount received. Why? So why you're writing the discount received in the credit column, because the rule here, okay, the rule applies: credit all credit all incomes and gains, debit all expenses and losses. So debit all expenses. Expenses is nothing but rent paid, so rent is an expense, so you're writing rent account in the debit one. And discount received is an income, so credit all incomes and gains, right? So in credit side you're writing discount received. Okay, so now let's discuss the pro forma of the journal entries. You must write in the left side dr, and you must write in the right cr, and you need to write the heading journal in the books of. So if they mention any particular name, so you must write name. If they don't mention, then it's okay, no problem, you must write journal in the books of. Okay, and there are 5 columns, that is date, particulars, LF number, debit and credit. So this is a pro forma of journal entries. In the next, if you like this video, please do like, share and do comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Colleen's Commerce, and don't forget to hit up the bell notification icon for more updates. And please do follow our Instagram page, which I will give in the description box. Go there, click on the link, and please do follow for more updates. Thank you.